TEHNOROS was established in 1991 and today is one of Russia's leading designers and manufacturers of complex materials handling and transport equipment. TEHNOROS products are used in various applications on container terminals, ports, shipbuilding, metallurgy, and other industries. Let's listen to Maxim Akhmatov, project manager of TEHNOROS. TEHNOROS selects only the highest quality components on the market and applies them in their cranes. For many years, we have purchased our electrical solutions, which include motorized cable reels, festoon systems, conductor rails, slip ring assemblies, and energy cable chains from Conductix Wampfler. Regardless of the issue, the Conductix Wampfler staff always provides complete and detailed technical advice. Quick response times and qualified personnel make Conductix Wampfler the most reliable and trusted partner in any project. Because of their professionalism, I would highly recommend Conductix Wampfler.